I love to sew. And I love to sew because if I sew things, I can make my own things. And today I was thinking of making a super cute dress out of this fitted sheet. And this fitted sheet is navy blue, and I believe it's cotton, and it has the stretchy thing that makes it a fitted sheet. And I'm just gonna get right into this project, and I really want to make a cute short dress with maybe ribbons at the side I can tie, and we'll just get started on this project together. My pals, my loves, my viewers, I love you all, and thank you for watching. So the first thing I'm gonna do is lay this on my floor, and I'll introduce you to my floor so you can get to know her. So this is my floor, and it's where I do a lot of my cutting. So I'm just gonna lay my fabric on my floor. Like so, and then like so. And then what I'll do is I will cut 2 trapezoids. I love trapezoids. I'm a big fan of them. Trapezoids are the best. Okay, so now I have my 2 trapezoids. This is the small end and this is the long end. And next, all I'm gonna do is sew the sides of the trapezoid together, like this. Wait, you know what would be so cool? Pockets! I think I'm gonna put pockets on my dress. So that's the scoop. So now I have 4 of these cute little pocket sides, and I'm gonna separate them into 2 each, and then I will sew it in the U shape and do that to both, and then I'm gonna connect them to my dress. Okay, now I'm gonna sew the dress, the trapezoid dress. When I get to the middle of the dress, I'm gonna attach my pockets to the dress, and I'll just do that by sewing the sides of the pockets to the dress. Okay, so now I have my cute little trapezoid dress all sewed up, and I have little pockets in here, and once I flip this dress inside out, it will look so much more clean. But the basics of it is really cute right now, and of course this is the top of my dress, and it's a little too big for me right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put elastic around it. I have my elastic right here, and I got this at Walmart, and it's super pretty. It wouldn't be a dress without ribbons. just had a huge dinner and I cooked for the people living at my college, and we all cooked together and ate. So now I'm back and my stomach is so full, but I made these 4 ribbons and I'm gonna attach them to my dress after I'm done putting the elastic on them. Too cute! Guys, isn't this a cute flower? I love flowers. The elastic is now invisible. Okay, so just before I go to bed, I want to put some bells on my dress, and I'm just gonna attach them to the straps. And everything, my dress is all complete and it's super cute, and I can't wait to try it on tomorrow for you guys. I'm really happy that you guys watch my videos, and if you made it this far, please like this video and please subscribe.